Hello there. I am Olga, and this is my little tot, Molga. Hello there. And we're here to pump you up. Yes, that's right. Molga here takes right after her papa, who is a big muscle man, Dennis the Great. Molga, show us a couple poses.
Okay.
Amazing. Check out that muscle. How much have you bench pressed today, Molga?
Maybe 16 hours.
She's bench pressed 16 hours. How many pounds have you bench pressed? The muscles there, brains not so much. That's what happens, you know. Oh, that didn't hurt though. You guys have a good night, and we're here to pump you up.
Oh, and
Yeah.
by the way, I lost 200 pounds. Oh.
You go, girl.